Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to recover a corrupted OBS Studio recording using a tool called Untrunc. Sometimes when you are recording with OBS, your computer crashes, the power goes out, or OBS suddenly stops, and your recorded video file becomes corrupted or unplayable like this. But don't worry, in this tutorial I'll show you how to repair that video file step by step. So let's get started. So at first we have to download a software called Untrunc, and this is the GitHub link. I will attach this link in my description, so you can using the link from the description below. So we have to download this Untrunc x64-bit. If you are using the 32-bit, so you can use this, but I have using the 64-bit, so I'll download this. Click on it. So it's downloaded, started, and successfully downloaded. We have to unzip this at first. So let's open the file here and extract all. Okay, now our file is extracted successfully. Just click on it and we have to open the Untrunc. This one is run away anyway. So here is our software. You can see the two options, reference file and trunk file. So let's show you how to do that. So you can see this is the corrupted file. So let's create a folder at first. I will set a name. Corrupted video on it. You can set any name, and let's copy this and paste it here. And also we need a reference video using the same file format. So all my videos are the same file format. I can select any one of this. So I will corrupted video, paste it here. Now you can see the corrupted video, which is the one is the corrupted and one is the references. So if we see references file, we have to put this references file, which is worked video. So let's copy the path at first, and let's reference file, and we'll set the currently worked video as a reference file. Click on it, and we have to choose the trunk file which is corrupted. Just click on it and simply use this trunk, and you can simply see the repair. Just click on it, and boom, you can see the working successfully the corrected video. You can see the corrected video is this, and this is the corrected video. So we are successfully recover our corrected video. So if this video worked, do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.